Hello, I am Vimal Sharma and I will be taking this session on Boolean logic. First, let us see what are binary quantities. In our day-to-day life, we make certain decisions. Say for example, if I ask you, would you like to have tea? You have to take decision. After taking decision, you will tell me yes or no. The decisions which results in yes or no are known as binary decisions. Okay, so in computer terminology, a yes means true and a no means false. In Python also we have Boolean data type. In Boolean data type, if you have a variable of a Boolean type, you can store value true or false in that data type. Now here true and false are Boolean constants. Okay, in Python a Boolean constant true will have capital T and false will have capital F. They are keywords. Then let us see logical operators. What are logical operators? Logical operators are not, and or. We have used them in order to create expressions in Python. Okay, so logical operators are used to combine logical values or logical constants to form logical expressions. Say if I have a variable x which is storing value true, and if I make an expression result x and false. Now x is a variable and false is a Boolean constant. Now this expression result is equal to x and false will return either true or false. Now x is a Boolean variable which will be storing either true or false. False is a Boolean constant. It will evaluate depending on the value of x whether it is true or false. If it is true, true and false will return false, and if value of x is false, false and false will also return false. So the result variable will always store false in this case. Then we have truth table. Now what is a truth table? A truth table is a table which contains all the possible values of logical variables along with all the possible outputs. Okay, now let us see, we have two statements. Would you like to see a movie? This is represented by X. Do you have movie tickets? This is statement Y. Now if I combine these two statements using a logical operator, it will give you some result. Let us say the result is, can you see the movie? It is represented by R. Now in the truth table I have statement X here and I have statement Y here, and I have result depending on the values of X and Y. So if I want to see the movie, I have a choice yes if I want to see the movie, and if I have tickets also yes. Yes means true. So if I want to see the movie and if I have tickets, then only I can see the movie. If I want to see the movie, if I don't have tickets, I cannot see the movie. If I don't want to see, then whether I have tickets or I don't have tickets, I cannot see the movie. So this becomes a truth table for these two statements. Okay, now this truth table is having all the possible inputs. All the possible inputs of X are shown here, all the possible inputs of Y are shown here, and what will be the possible results are shown here in the third column. Now let us see what is a logical operator not. Not logical operator is represented by putting a dash or a hyphen at the top of variable. For example, x dash or x bar. Bar is not shown here. I'll draw a bar for you. So it is a unary operator. Unary operator means it operates on only one operand, and it is also known as complementation operator. Complementation means if you say complement of 0, it will be 1, because there are only two possible values in binary, and if you say complement of 1, it is 0. So the truth table of x bar is shown here. If you have a variable x, what will be the possible values of x bar? So if a variable x will have 0, x bar will return 1. If a value of x is 1, x bar will return 0. Next is an AND operator. An AND operator is represented by dot symbol, right? When you write Python expressions, you write na age is greater than 18 and let us say stream is equal to science. But while representing AND theoretically, it is represented by dot operator. Say for example, x dot y means x and y. It shows a very important operation of Boolean algebra, which is known as logical multiplication. So AND represents logical multiplication. X multiplied by y should be read as x and y. So the rules of AND operation are shown here in this slide. 0, that means false and false is equal to false, false and true is equal to false, true and false is again false, true and true is true. So AND operator returns true if all the variables involved in the expression have value 1. So if I have x and y, this is the truth table for x and y. See, when you make a truth table, you see what is the expression. Expression is x dot y. So what will be the possible values of x? Possible values of x will be, you have read permutation and combination. I hope you have done it in mathematics. It is 2 raised to power n. So 2 raised to power, there are two variables, so value of n is 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So there will be 4 possible inputs in this situation. Okay, so first you write 0 0 1 1, then you write 0 1 0 1 for value of y, then you find out what is x into y. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0 again, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, and operation is represented by Venn diagram like this. Next is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator represents a binary addition, right? So if you have to represent OR operation, you will write plus. So here x plus y is x or y. So in OR operation, these are the possible inputs for two variables and possible outputs for two variables. When you say false or false, it will return false. False or true is true. True or false is true. True or true is true. We say na, either this or this. So it is same like that. But 1 plus 1 here is 1. This 1 represents a high or a true here, because in binary you don't have 2, right? You have either 0 and 1. So the state of the So the state of the system is represented by 1 here. If you see the truth table, you will see values of x and y. These are all possible values of x and y, right? Then x plus y will return. If both are 0, x plus y will return 0. If any of the input is 1, high or true, it will return true. If both are true, it will return true. Then in the examinations you can have a question where you will be given a boolean expression and you will be asked to create a truth table for the boolean expression. Let us say the boolean expression is x plus y bar y dot z whole bar plus z bar. You have to make a truth table for this expression. So what you will do, first of all you find out how many different variables are there in the system. There are 3 variables, x, y and z. So you will write x, y and z. Then what are the individual elements in this expression? You have y dot z. So next you make a column for y dot z. Then you need to calculate y dot z bar. So you make a column for y dot z bar. Then you need z bar also. You need x plus y dot z bar, and then the final expression will be this. For this also you make one column, right? So here first you write what are the possible values for 3 variable system. The easiest way to write these values are, first you write 4 zeros, then 4 ones, then 2021 2021, then you write 0101 0101 in the z. So you will get all the possible values for x, y and z. Okay, now you find out. Now you have written y dot z bar here. Next column you find out what is y dot z bar. Then for all the rows you find out what is y dot z bar. Then y dot z whole bar. Y dot z was calculated earlier. Now you have to calculate y dot z whole bar. This column you need to find out now. So in this column you negate the values which were there in the previous column, because complement means not operator. Not means if it is 0 you make it 1 here, if it is 1 you make it 0 here. Like this you fill all the values in each row. Then z bar, next column is z bar. Again what will be the values of z? You just negate those values of z and put the values here in this column. Then you have y dot z whole bar, you have already calculated here. Okay, now next column is x plus y dot z whole bar, this column. So you find out values in this column. Okay, x is here, x is here. Okay, then y dot z whole bar is here. You add values in these 2 columns. Which 2 columns? One is this column x and y dot z whole bar. Values you will put here. Value of x is 0, y dot z whole bar is 1, so 0 plus 1 you will get 1 here. Likewise you can calculate values in all the other rows. Then finally you will find out the value of this complete expression. Complete expression is shown in the last column. What is this last column? X plus yz whole bar plus z bar. Now x plus yz whole bar we have already calculated in this previous column. What you need to do? You just need to add z bar in this value. So this column plus z bar is this column. you add values of these two columns and you will get final values in the last column. So value of x plus y z whole bar in first row is 1, z bar is again 1, right? So 1 plus 1, you are getting 1 here. Similarly, you find out values in the other rows also. The next type of question which is normally asked is you have to prove a Boolean expression using truth table. Let us say, for example, you have to prove this Boolean expression which says that x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Okay, now you have to prove this using truth table. How many variables are involved in the system? There are two variables involved in the system, x and y. What individual terms you need to calculate? First you have to calculate x plus y, then you have to calculate x plus y whole bar, then there is x bar in the system, there is y bar in the system, and there is x bar dot y bar in the system. Okay, so for two variables, what will be the possible inputs for values of x? You write 0, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, for y you write 0, 1, 0, 1. Right, these will be the possible inputs in a two variable system. Now you calculate x plus y depending on the values of x and y. So values of x is 0, y is 0, you will get x plus y as 0, right? Similarly, you can find out values in the other rows also. These values you can find out x plus y. Now there is x plus y whole bar, right? So x plus y whole bar you will find out now. Previous columns values will be complemented. In the previous column there was 0, so now it will become 1. In the previous column there was 1, so it becomes 0 here. X plus y whole bar will become 0 here. 1 will become 0, 1 will again become 0. So till now you have calculated values up to this column. Okay, then RHS, in the RHS there is x bar dot y bar. So first you find out values of x bar. So the value of x in the first column is 0, so x bar will be 1. Value of y in second column is 0, so y bar will become 1. Similarly, you find out other values of x bar and y bar. It is very easy, right? So we have found other values in the truth table. Now we'll see what is x bar dot y bar. You have to just multiply the values of x bar with y bar. So 1 into 1 will return 1, 1 into 0 will return 0, then 0 into 1 will again return 0, then 0 into 0 will give you 0. Now how you will prove that? You have proof of this expression in truth table. You will say that column x plus y whole bar is identical to the column x bar dot y bar. That means the values in these two columns are same. Hence we have proved that x plus y whole bar, here x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar.